get back out in the world. Get back out on the road. I mean, the core of man's spirit comes from new experiences.
Before, but just as a Capetonian, I think that's what's happening to
I hope you guys are doing well. Welcome to yet another video. Today it is the 12th of May and I'm studying for exams. We are preparing for exams. I am writing next week. Twice actually. I have 2 exams, one after the other, so I need to be on my Zoom quite literally. And then I'm writing again on the 26th of May, so about a week, less than a week maybe, between the other 2 exams and the 3rd one. This vlog is going to be me studying. I wanted to go to the library today, but I couldn't because the library is closed actually. We were told to stay home because the weather is bad. It's bad. Like right now it's a bit better, but the weather forecast was like, you guys mustn't go outside. If you want to be healthy and alive, you mustn't go outside. So yeah, today I'm studying from home. I think on the other days I might go to the library. I've been up since this morning. I had a study session. I had a class after that, the class that I was in, which was transport economics, and then yeah, I showered and then I was talking to my mom. I want to get something to eat now. I don't know if I should make something, or I genuinely don't feel like making like food. Also, I want to have the prawn pasta, which I made. Well, it's not like a proper prawn pasta. I made prawns and then I made spaghetti and then I just, like mixed it. Yeah, I want to have that for dinner, so I don't want to have that now. I don't know what I'm gonna eat now. I might go to the nail salon, I don't know. I'll see. Anyways, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and yeah. I just finished my study session. Why is it making so much noise? I have my heater on and it's making a noise. I just finished studying for this study session. I think I'm gonna go and get food because I'm hungry and I have no energy in me to cook or make any food for myself. So I think I'm gonna go to the Nelsie and get food and then come back and eat, and I will continue studying. I'm gonna study for a different module because I've been studying one module the whole day and I need to study the other one. I feel like there's like concepts that I'm not memorizing as much as I should. I don't know what to do. I don't know. Because I try to do like practice questions from the textbook, and like when I'm studying it and I'm saying it out loud, I understand, I hear it, and then when I read the question, I'm like, what is this asking me to do? When you know the information, or like, yeah, when you know the information and then the question asks you and you just like, okay, I know the information, but like, how do I apply it? Like, yes, some of the things I can apply, but others I'm just like, ooh, que matata. But yeah, guys, let me go get food and eat. I don't want to sleep too late because I'm gonna struggle waking up again, and I don't want that. I want to wake up on time and have a productive day again. So yeah, let me go get food.
That anxiety and that rumination is actually the only sense of control that we have. What I think a lot of us need to be more kind to ourselves about is that our anxiety is the coping. We think that we can avoid future anxiety by making it a today problem. The issue is that that's entirely irrational. No level of thinking about something can change what is going to happen, but that doesn't matter. Like, number one is just this illusion of certainty. Thinking about all of the potential horrible chapter, I just think that viewing ambiguity as an opportunity for greatness and 5-year mark, instead of constantly asking what's my life going to look like in 10 years, am I ever going to be happy? Take action now. The thing is that obsessively worrying about whether the action you're taking now is going to have the positive effect on your future that you want it to, just zoom.
I'm on my way to class and I am a bit late and I am trying to rush as fast as I can. Hopefully I'm not late, but like maybe I'll be a minute late. Just saw this girl wearing one of the coolest outfits I have ever seen in a long time. I honestly don't like the concept of having to study then have class because it just messes up with your schedule.
Financial and human resources are invested in operations. So operations management is critical to any organization's success.
Programs that help you do better sourcing, contracting, and so on. Information that gives you the ability to
tall white house with an empty room and your name carved over the door, facing out to the tallest.
I'm on shift and I'm trying not to make a noise because there's a loud echo in here, but I'm on shift and it's only 12:24 right now and I'm planning to study for at least the entire 5 hours out of the 6 hours that I'm on shift, so that even when I wake up like later in the day I covered like, you know, a bit of work. I am actually very, very tired. This chapter that I'm doing is not ending. Like, it's not ending. I've been doing the same chapter. Like, can it please end so that I can move on? I barely, like, it's just more and more and more and more and more. Nah. Hopefully I'll be done by the end of this night so that I can like move on to the next one. But I'm gonna split after like 1:30 or 2. I'm gonna do the other module because I can't do the same module for 6 hours because I'm writing them one after the other, so I need to make sure that I cover, you know, enough work for both of them.
From your place on the second floor, sounded out to an empty house. Was it just like you had before? Savior pulled from an open mouth. Did you want to be something more?
I just came back and I had the longest and most amazing shower of my life. Now I'm gonna moisturize my skin and then sleep. I am going to sleep. I'm using this Skin Functional Blemish Corrector. I don't know if it's working. I'm gonna give it like 2 months to see if there's a difference on my skin and with my dark marks. If I don't see a difference within like 2-3 months. I am getting rid of it. How it looks. Anyway.
Something is wrong inside. I have to find it. Cut it out.
I am going to sleep now, and I will see my problems when I wake up. I'm not sure what time I'm gonna wake up, but it's probably gonna be before 12 because I know my body. During the day, I can't like sleep for that long, especially if I'm awake at this time. Yeah, it's probably not gonna be very long. So yeah, I'll speak to you guys when I wake up. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah.